Task 4. Prediction, exploratory data analysis retail. The task involves certain aims and goals which are perform explanatory data analysis on data set called sample superstore. As a business manager, try to find out weak areas where you need to make more profits. What all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. We can use any type of language, that is R, Tableau, Excel, Python, SAP, SAS, anything. It is a beginner level task. We have to create data and dashboards. So let's begin with the code. I am importing certain libraries that are pandas, matplot library, pyplot, numpy, seaborn, and I am importing warnings too. Now this is the Tableau color palette which we are going to differentiate, which we are using to differentiate various graphs and various areas where we have to look in front. So let us begin. First of all, we need to collect the data, that is sample store.csv, and then we are retrieving information, first 5 rows using dot head and last 5 rows using dot tail. The shape suggests us the number of columns and number of rows within the CSV file, and the data gives us the data.describe gives us an overall statistical values of a particular data. Using data.info will provide us what number of rows are there and the data type. Here you can see number of column. There are 12 columns and its data type, which are all mentioned here. Now we need to count the number of countries, or we can say the number of countries and its data type using value.count. Then we are calculating the cost using sales minus profit, which is already present in the data, that is cost. Then here it is profit, and then here it is sales, and we are subtracting sales from profit. Obtaining the profit percentage is dividing profit by cost into 100. Now we are obtaining correlation between the matrices, that is the independency of the different variables. Here you can look, it is having a diagonal graph where at its every diagonal we can find a perfect correlation, that is 1. Hence we can conclude that the data is truly independent from each variables. Ship mode types is equals to data.group by ship mode. We are grouping all the data by the ship mode itself, and we are now calculating the number of counts within the data itself in the ship mode. Plotting the ship mode preference graph, and then we are dividing every segments into a group, and then counting values and data types within the segments and plotting a histogram using the data for the segments. Again categorizing the different products and plotting its count plot. Now we are counting a plot of the regions within the category. Then we are having a scatter plot to differentiate various categories of sales, that is furniture, office supplies and technology. Later on we will continue to differentiate our group profit and sales with the sum. Here we are subcategorizing the subcategories which are present in the data, that is accessories, applications and etc. Here we can have a look on the pie chart where there is a huge number of quality difference we can see. Then we are grouping the regions and plotting out its graph on the measures of profit and sales. And then we are having a pie chart which can clearly evaluate how much amount of profit is obtained in different various regions. You can markedly see that there is a least profit in south part of the country, while in the west region there is a huge profit. So as a manager, you need to work more on the south part rather than on the west part. Differentiating the cities and obtaining the shipments, we can clearly get the number of qualities and the number of profit to be obtained. Thank you.